This hearty, flavor packed one pot tomato bean rice is just so delicious, wholesome, and deceptively easy to make. So, let's get started. First, we need about 2 cups of Jeeraga sambar rice. This rice has a subtle floral earthy aroma that goes beautifully with pulaus and biryanis. You could also use basmati, gobindabhog, or any other similar flavorful variety. We'd love to know more about other local flavorful rice varieties.
So do comment and let us know.
Let's wash it and keep it soaked in water. Now let's get the vegetables prepped. We need 1 to 2 onions thinly sliced. And of course about 5 small to medium tomatoes. Also 2 green chillies slit and about a tablespoon of grated ginger and garlic. Now in a pot, heat about 2 tablespoons of any neutral flavored oil. I'm using groundnut oil. Add the sliced onions and saute them until they turn a nice golden brown. This takes a bit of time, but the flavor it adds is definitely worth it. While the onions are browning, I'm going to make a quick cucumber raita as a side. Add some chopped cucumber to a bowl of whisked yogurt, a sprinkle of salt and some pepper. That's it. As the onions begin to brown, turn off the heat and remove them from the oil. They will continue to darken in the residual heat and we don't want them to burn. Reserve the fried onions for later. Now in the remaining oil, add a couple of bay leaves, 3-4 cloves, a cardamom pod and an inch of cinnamon stick. Then add a tablespoon of grated ginger and garlic. You could also use about half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste instead. Now add the chopped tomatoes. Add the green chilies as well.
We also need a sprinkle of turmeric for color.
Next, add the drained rice and salt to taste. Now pour in the coconut milk. For 2 cups of rice, we need about 1 cup of thick coconut milk and 2 cups of water. You can also add the beanstalk here if you have it. Now add the beans. Cover and cook for about 10 minutes or until the water has evaporated and the rice is tender and fluffy. You can make this in a pressure cooker as well. Let's chop some coriander leaves for garnish. Once the rice is cooked, add the fried onions and top with fresh coriander. Delicate, aromatic and sumptuous. This is the one pot tomato bean rice. On days we want something comforting without much effort, we keep coming back to this recipe. Do give it a try, and for more such recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Until then, take care and ta-ta!